Samreboi, a town whose local economy is controlled by timber and farming, mainly cocoa, is threatened by illegal mining. The devastation caused to its forest reserves like the Tano Nimri Reserve featured prominently in JoyNews' recent documentaries. In Erastus Asare Donkor's Poisoned for Gold documentary, the health effects of the contaminants in the polluted Tano River featured prominently.
In fish samples that were taken from River Tano at the Dantano area there, I thought I was just doing something simple. But when I realized the levels of mercury in the fish samples, I became so alarmed. I looked at the levels in muscle, the fish muscles, the head, the gills, the eye, and the bones. The highest concentration was in the gills. The bones were also there. So since then, I have stopped eating the head of the fish as well as the bones. I only eat the muscles, and that is it.
The multimedia VOA USA GM Poisoned for Good community tour, which started in Samreboi, is aimed at reaching remote communities affected by nature crimes with the Tree version of the documentary. The over 100 residents who watched the Poisoned for Good documentary, produced by Erastus Asare Donkor, were shocked at the findings.
It is painful to learn it is possible that after a 9-month pregnancy journey, contamination from Galamsey can cause my child to be deformed. It's sad. To give birth to a child with one leg and a lot of complications, I am sad.
While some of the participants blamed the chiefs for the Galamsey menace, others blamed a lack of political will in fighting the canker.
Government should take bigger blame for the Galamsey menace. We've all seen the damage caused by Akonta mining in this town. Who is Akonta mining? Is he not from the NPP government? If he doesn't have the power, can he do what he has done in this town?
There was a debate between participants and some chiefs present on their role in fighting the menace.
Now I say opinionless, you're committing. I say, Tano Numre, you better one.
We, the opinion leaders, recently decided to fight mining in the Tano Numri forest, but the paramount chief of Enchi wanted the Chinese to mine. What can I say as a sub-chief? It's not on my land.
China for a
We all know the Chinese miners who come here, slaughter chicken for rituals and pour libation. Some of us have thought the Chinese are customs, so the power we had on our land is gone. Some of our leaders tell us to vacate our land if we cannot live with Galamsey. If I don't give out my land, they dig around it and take over. What can we do? The land belongs to Nananom. If somebody comes with a license to mine and the chiefs don't give their permission, they cannot mine. So I would suggest that chiefs who allow Galamsey on their land should be arrested.
Dr. Yusuf Tijani, a medical doctor with Samatex Hospital in Samreboi, who has been seeing a number of patients affected by ailments linked to irresponsible mining, called for a serious view of Galamsey across the country.
To destroying not just lands and water bodies, but leave the environment contaminated to the extent that it affects unborn children. I think that we must be very sensitive and fight together as a community to bring this Galamsey menace to a stop.
Some preferred solutions to illegal mining while commending the Poisoned for Good community tour.
I'm going to be agent of change.
Brunei's knowledge is power.
GJ Journalist of the Year, Erastus Asare Donkor, noted he is excited about the opportunity to connect with communities affected by the activities of illegal miners.
The reaction of the people shows how concerned they are after watching how irresponsible mining that surrounds this town is having a negative effect on their lives on a daily basis. And I know that this is going to be the engagement, the community discussion and debate in the coming days. And so the Poisoned for Gold community tour is not ending at Samreboi, it's just begun. This is the first stop. We are coming to a town near you, in the coming days.
Reporting for Joy News from Samreboi, Kwesi Debra.